Hi everyone, I just wanted to talk to you today about some of our great Scentsy products. We're more than just warmers and wax. We have an entire laundry line, starting right from laundry soap right down to the dryer. We have laundry liquid, which is concentrated. You only need 1 or 2 pumps depending on your load size. So this bottle will do approximately 50 loads. It's $21. Then you go into our fabric softener, which is again $21 and will do approximately 50 loads as well. Then you move along to our washer whiffs, which are scent boosters for your clothes. They will give you lasting fragrance for weeks to come, available in a small tub or in a large tub. Your small tub is $16 and your large tub is $40. They're little crystals that you just add a scoop to your wash for lasting fragrance. Then we move along to our dryer discs. There's 2 in a package, and each dryer disc is good for 15 loads, so you get 30 loads per package. These are $9 a piece. You can also purchase a Laundry Love bundle for $66, which includes a laundry liquid, a large size tub, and 2 dryer discs. All of this is available on our website at www.celinemiller.scentsy.ca, or you can message me directly and order right through there. We have so many different fragrances to choose from: Luna, Jammy Time, Coconut Lemongrass, French Lavender, Ocean, Scentsy Clean, Sunkissed Citrus, and so many more. So for more information, please message me and I will be happy to help.